Hello, this is Nitin Dahad with EE Times. I'm talking now to Steve Chen, who's the Senior Sales Business Development person for Himax Technology. Steve, hello, how are you?
Hi, I'm doing well.
Steve, so what I was going to ask you is about WiseGuard. What are the top 3 highlights of the WiseGuard technology that you're showcasing? And which security or detection challenges does the technology aim to solve?
Yeah, so at Himax, we are razor focused in battery devices, and our WiseGuard is our solution specifically for the IoT market. The 3 values that we provide to this industry are always on sensing, privacy, and also extended battery.
Okay.
Right.
And you talk about that always on. So I guess one of it is low power, but what breakthroughs does WiseGuard offer in terms of ultra low power detection, and how suitable is it for battery powered applications?
Yeah.
And we've got all of these around here.
Right.
You've got the glasses as well.
Yeah, exactly. I mean, traditionally, like for smart homes or glasses, they require like all day long. And for smart home, you don't even change the battery for like 5 to 10 years, right?
Mm,
But right now, like what you have in home is essentially just motion detectors,
mm,
which doesn't provide much context
mm.
for AIs to enhance user experience at home. And what Himax provides is that we have always-on sensing, where we provide more accurate data, and then these are sparse metadata. So there's no privacy concern because all the vision-based images are processed locally, nothing's sent to the cloud, and then nothing's stored. So we process on the spot and throw away the image and only parse out sparse metadata for AIs or cloud or the cloud or your network hub to process and enable like smart homes or autonomous homes.
And so I guess that's what's offering the low power. I mean, you're delivering that low power. Sorry, is that
Exactly.
right? Okay.
Yeah.
And what differentiating advantages does Himax's wearable display solution provide in brightness, visibility, and power consumption?
Yeah. So I mean, with Himax again, we also found a very suitable market with using our WiseEye AI processor,
Okay.
because in right now, with smart glasses, they need to be always on. They need to be responsive.
Indeed.
And then when it's connected to a SoC, it's just draining the power out of it. So it's not lasting more than 4 hours a day. But like for daily use, like a normal user would be using 8 to 10 hours. And this is where Himax comes in, where we provide ultra low power displays that can enable user to see or receive text translation, for example, or seeing or maps. And then also we use our WiseEye AI processor to process what's on the scene and enable that or wake up the SoC when it's needed.
Okay. I mean, that's great in terms of the technology. And what are the promising applications that you see when you're combining WiseGuard with wearable display solutions?
Yeah.
The
So
obvious one is daily use, but
right. With display solutions, again, we can provide up to with the right waveguide partners, we can provide up to 1,000 nits in luminance. So it's again very low power at high luminance that what you can use it to during days, outdoors under the sun, you can still see it vividly. So when you're out about, traveling, talking to people, different cultures, different languages, our WiseEye ultra low power AI processor can detect if there's a person in front and start picking up the conversation and beam phone the microphone towards the person that you're having the conversation with, and then displaying doing the live translation on the spot and then show that on our high brightness displays.
and I think you can do that. I think one of the things I learned while I was talking to you is that you combine both the CMOS image sensor and the processing using ARM Cortex M55.
Exactly.
Is that right?
Yes, that's
So
absolutely
that
correct.
enables more of that processing on the actual device.
Absolutely, yeah. So you're correct. So right now we are utilizing again, just showcasing this again. So we have multi-cores in our WiseEye AI chip, where we're using the ultra low power core or standby core to do the scene detection. Once there's a scene that's again that's of interest, we enable the larger core and then start interacting through displays with the user.
Got it. Got it.
Yeah.
Now, big question. It's all about ecosystems. How does Himax collaborate with system brands, ODMs, module makers in the wearable market, and what types of devices are currently being adopted?
Yeah. So right now we are very active in the ecosystem. We are working with all the major AI partners. Um, I can't disclose that right now,
Okay.
but I mean right now we are working with partners such as Quanta and Gertech,
Okay.
and they are the key enablers for many of these AR glasses in the ecosystem.
All right. And then finally, what are the next? What's the future direction for WiseGuard and wearables?
Yeah. So for us, we are again our next generation. We're still focusing in even lowering more power and enabling more processing capability to it. Our focus is in notebook, in IoTs and wearables, and then we are essentially aiming to provide vision for agentic AI so that we can turn agentic AI into a prompt AI where you have to speak to it or you have to give command.
Yeah.
And given it vision, it can be more autonomous and start acting on its own.
Well, that sounds like a great vision, if you don't mind the pun. But Steve, thank you very much,
Thank you.
and wish you all the best with this.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.